What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start a business in California and need to set up an LLC, I'm going to help you understand how to do that right now. We're going to talk about the two main ways to do it. One is doing it all yourself directly through the state, and the other is using an LLC service that takes care of everything for you. We're going to go over both options step by step so you know exactly what to do. For the LLC service, we will be talking about Tailor Brands to show you how it works. If you want to check it out for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Now let's get into it. So, what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC for short, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, meaning your personal assets are separate from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets should be out of the picture. Also, LLCs give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the chance to bring in multiple owners known as members who could share in the company's profits and losses. All of these benefits have made the LLC a popular choice for many entrepreneurs starting new or existing ventures. Now, there are two ways to set up an LLC. Like I mentioned earlier, first, let's go through the process as if you were doing it on your own. Now, I want you to understand that in many states, LLCs are formed through their Secretary of State. California is one of those states too. So saying that, let's go ahead and get into the first step. So first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and not already in use or similar to another business. The business name database on the California Secretary of State's website can help you make sure the name you want is available. Now, California has a few guidelines when it comes to naming your business. For example, it needs to have LLC or limited liability company either spelled out or abbreviated at the end of your business name. It must be different from other existing names, including names that sound similar. And finally, you can't have restricted words. There are a few, but some of the more common ones are bank, trust, and corporation. If you aren't sold on a name, California lets you reserve a business name. The guidelines would naturally still apply, but this gives you a way to kind of save the name so it can't be taken by anyone else while you're still making up your mind. You can reserve more than one name at a cost of just $10 each. This, however, isn't a permanent solution since the hold will only last 60 days. Now, the next step, you need a registered agent. A registered agent's job is to be the middleman for important legal documents for the business. The registered agent must have a physical address in California, be available during state business hours, and is able to accept all legal papers for the business. And yes, you can be your own registered agent. Many businesses choose not to so that their information won't be readily available to the public, especially if you run your business out of your own home, in which case your home address would be published as the address for the business. Now, once you have a name or name reserved and a registered agent, you can move on to actually creating your LLC. In California, you would fill out the form LLC 1 called the Secretary of State Articles of Organization Limited Liability Company. In that application, they'll ask for the name of your LLC, the address of the business, the name of your registered agent, how the LLC will be managed, the signature of who is forming the LLC, and the cover sheet included with the application needs to be completed as well. And naturally, any of the state fees would be due with the application. The fee is $70. If you want a certified copy, the cost is an additional $5. Forms can be submitted online, by mail, or in person at the Secretary of State's office in Sacramento, although there is an additional handling fee when you submit the application in person. Next step is to create an operating agreement. Now, very few states actually require LLCs to have one, but California is one of those few states. While the state doesn't need a copy, one should be kept with the rest of your LLC paperwork. Even if the LLC only has one member, an operating agreement would still be required. An operating agreement in California should list how ownership is to be divided in the LLC, the roles of each member, how decisions will be made, what happens if a member wants to leave the business, or if the members want to end the LLC altogether. Now, whatever you decide to put in your operating agreement, at the beginning, it's not set in stone. They can and should be updated whenever there are changes in the LLC. These agreements are incredibly important in order to avoid misunderstandings and problems you might face down the line. Next, you need an employer identification number or EIN for your business. An EIN is kind of like a social for your business. Getting one is important if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. The name you apply for your EIN must match the name of your LLC. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to get your business ready to pay the necessary taxes. In Cali, every LLC doing business in the state must pay an annual tax of $800. This amount can be higher if your business makes more than $250,000 annually. The tax is due on the 15th day of the fourth month following the date you file your articles of organization, which sounds cryptic, but basically it means if your LLC was filed in September, you would owe your first payment no later than December 15th. The month you file counts as the first month regardless of whether you formed your LLC at the beginning of the month or at the end of the month. After your first payment, your next payment would be due by April 15th. This tax is unavoidable unless you had no business in Cali in the tax year or if the tax year was less than 15 days. Now, beyond that annual franchise tax, you would be also responsible for federal, state, and for many areas, local taxes. On top of that, you could be subject to self-employment, sales, fuel taxes, and environmental fees, depending on what your business does. All right, if going through all of these steps on your own sounds like a headache, don't worry, you're not alone. Personally, I just didn't have the time to learn everything and make sure I was doing it all correctly. And honestly, I didn't want to risk messing up something and having to start over. That's why I went with Tailor Brands to form my business. If you're short on time or you just want to avoid the stress of figuring out all of the paperwork and the legal details, using a business formation service like Tailor Brands can really simplify the process. It takes a lot of the guesswork out and helps you move forward with confidence. Now, personally, I see Tailor Brands as one of the best options out there, especially for first-time business owners, because they walk you through everything step by step and they make it feel easy. That said, there are other great services too, like ZenBusiness, LegalZoom, and Swift Filing. So if you want to learn more about those, I left some review videos down in the description below for you to go check out. All right, so if you haven't heard about Tailor Brands, they've been around since 2014, helping new business owners get up and running fast. It's basically an all-in-one platform that uses AI to guide you through setting up a business with tools for website hosting, branding, finance, and legal stuff like LLC formation, all in one place. Now, to start your LLC with Tailor Brands, just head over to their website, choose your state. You'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select your state. For example, here, California, then click Get Started. After that, you'll type in the name you want to use for your LLC. From there, you're going to go through a short set of questions to help them understand your business, like where it's based, what kind of products or services you'll offer, whether you'll have employees, and what stage your business is currently in. They're also going to ask if you might need help with things like getting an EIN, a registered agent, setting up a business bank account, and more. And don't worry, you're not committing to anything. It's just to help them tailor the experience to what you actually need. And once you're done with the questions, you'll be shown 3 plan options. The first one costs $0. You only need to pay the state filing fee. That fee goes 100% to the Secretary of State, and Tailor Brands doesn't keep any of it. Now, the other plans come with extra services on top of forming the LLC, and if you're not sure which plan works best for you, their team is there to help, either by email or a quick call. Once you pick a plan and move on to the payment setup, Tailor Brands will take care of submitting your LLC application on your behalf. So the second option, as you can see, can be quick and efficient, taking about as much time as making a cup of tea in the morning. By letting Tailor Brands handle all the hard work for you, you can have peace of mind that everything is being handled correctly, and you have more time to focus on growing your business. So again, there are 2 ways to set up an LLC in California. 1, doing it all yourself, or 2, having Tailor Brands do everything for you. Look, at the end of the day, Tailor Brands is a great option for setting up an LLC for your business. The process is fast and user-friendly, not to mention the additional services they have like logo design, website building, domain registration, and business cards adds even more value to its services. The prices for these services are reasonable, making it a very good investment in terms of the time and hassle you save. I recommend Tailor Brands for anyone starting a new business who is actually looking for help with everything from incorporation to brand identity. So for the convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to get started is a business name, Tailor Brands has you covered. And that wraps up today's video. I hope this video helped. And if it did, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Now, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, check out the description below for their exclusive link. For most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their websites. Go ahead and leave any questions or comments below, and I'll do my best and try to answer them as quickly as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.